Galaxy Book4 Edge. The name Edge suggests that the laptop could feature a display that extends to the edges of the device, minimizing bezels and providing a more immersive viewing experience. Samsung is known for its innovative designs, so the Galaxy Book4 Edge could introduce a unique form factor or design element that sets it apart from traditional laptops. Given Samsung's expertise in display technology, the Galaxy Book4 Edge might feature a high-resolution screen with vibrant colors and sharp details. Samsung often integrates S Pen support into its devices, allowing for precise stylus input. The Galaxy Book4 Edge could potentially come with an S Pen for note-taking, drawing, and other creative tasks. Like other Galaxy Book models, the Galaxy Book4 Edge would likely offer strong performance, possibly powered by the latest Intel or AMD processors and equipped with ample RAM and storage options. Expect the Galaxy Book4 Edge to support modern connectivity options such as Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, and USB Type-C ports for fast data transfer and charging. Samsung might prioritize battery life to ensure that the Galaxy Book4 Edge can keep up with users' productivity needs throughout the day. The laptop could come pre-installed with Samsung's suite of software, including productivity tools and integration with other Samsung devices, such as smartphones and tablets. While these are speculative features based on Samsung's past products and industry trends, only an official announcement from Samsung could provide accurate information about the Galaxy Book4 Edge's specifications, features, and availability.